Welcome and let's explore the new world of painting. Start with our folk painting. So it's very easy. You just have to take this and take the fork and you have to do nothing but place it right there like this. Okay. Then again what you have to do, you just have to take the fork, dip it in the color properly, and then what is the next step? You can do it like this. Okay, then we have the next thing. Okay, now what are we going to do next? We are going to place it like this. Okay, okay, we take it like this. Okay, so what is the next thing which we will do? We will again place and we are going to put this again like this, and you have like this, and you go like this. See, it's up to you. How do you want to do it? Suppose if you want to keep it quite clean, so you can keep the way it is told. Or if you want to make it little more, what do you say? It's like more of artistic work or something, then you can place it anywhere you like. Okay, so you just try to put it like this. Okay, maybe like this. So you just have to make the porcupine these things. So this looks very good, and this is something new which students or children can try at home during this boredom, right? And yes, you can ask them to color it up. It will look so good, right? So we have like this. So you pasted it beautifully, right? Okay, and then you can take the brush and color it like this to make the porcupine in whichever color you want. That completes your folk painting. You can also try with different colors, and this looks so beautiful. Next we have is the sun. So how are we going to do this one? Very easy. We can keep it here and keep the yellow color like this. Then again you can take another yellow, keep it somewhere here and close it. Same way you can take another one and keep it somewhere here like this. Same way you can keep on doing it and keep on coloring on the alternate ones. If you're not able to do it that way, you can do it this way. So see how bright and beautiful this looks. Okay, then we can again keep on putting it like this. Yes. So that would be better if you can take the clear and the real sizes of the fork. So that would be more beautiful and easier and nicer. So see, what I did is I generally don't paste it on the ones which are already there. I try to keep it little here and there so that you are easy. Now see, few places you've placed yellow. Now the next thing which you can do is, maybe you can take this color red, because this is sun. So you know the orangish thing will look more beautiful, right? So that's what we are trying to do over here. We are trying to give the color of the sun. And yes, you can take the colors in combination or whatever way you want. So see, so this looks like a beautiful sun rays, right? So that's what I'm trying to do here. Place it like this. And this comes very beautiful. Here it's like, you can give it to children. They'll also enjoy that how are we doing this, right? Other than the brush painting, they have something else to work on, right? Or some waste fork, if it's like there with you, you can use that also. Okay. And yes, maybe you can mix the colors also now, maybe yellow and orange, and try to color it inside. Okay. So I have made this yellow and red combination as the orange color, and what you can do is simple do the brush painting over here. Okay, so after coloring, we have such a nice, beautiful and bright sun in front of you using the folk painting. Please do try this at your home and do let me know in the comments that how did you feel about it. Okay, and there's a request. Please support me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.